Hi, this is Heidi again. Anyways, I've started a new painting and it's very colorful. What do you think? I'm not sure of it, but I'm just starting it, so I'm just kind of experimenting around with the colors. As you can see, I used yellow because summer's leaving us, and I just wanted to get something that was happy. Anyways, so I thought I'd start with a purple, and then I got a mess all over here. So I'm just doing a little bit of orange right now with the red, because red and orange are kind of cool. Anyways, I just wanted to share this painting with you. It's not done yet, but I'm pretty excited about it because it's a little bit different than most of the stuff that I do. I kind of like the song. Move out. Love 80s. Gotta love 80s. Yeah. And this is Chico. Chicky! Hey! Oh, shit. I just spilled my water. Chico! Isn't he the cutest? He's so cute. I love Chico. He's my baby. He's my baby. Give me kisses. Chico likes it when I paint, because then I leave him alone and I stop touching him. Okay, anyways, have a great YouTube day and hope to see you soon. Bye.